Good morning everyone and welcome to today's top tip. Last week I showed you how to create a sway starting with a Microsoft Word document. So now I'm going to show you how to create a sway starting from scratch. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Glow account. Once you're logged in, you're just going to click on Office 365 Home. If you can't find it there, just search for it. Once you log into Office 365 Home, you'll see all your Office apps down the side here. The wee one that's just sticking up at the bottom there is Sway, so you can click on that. If it's not sticking out, you can just click on this wee bit here and it'll bring all your apps up. I'm just going to click on that and it's going to bring up Sway. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to start a new blank Sway. So when it opens up, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is create a title for your sway. So I am going to be doing mine about the rainforest. So I'm going to click on emphasize so it makes it nice and bold. I'm going to type in the rainforest. And then what I want to do is I want to put in a picture with it. So I'm just going to click on the left hand side here and it's going to bring up some suggested searches. It's suggesting to search for the rainforest because that's what I've already typed in. So I'm just going to click on that there. If it doesn't suggest what you want, the research bar is just on the right hand side there and you can search. So now it has brought up lots of pictures of the rainforest. So I'm just going to select this one here and once it's selected I'll have a wee tick on it and I'm just going to click add. And there it's added it in for me now. I'm going to cross that off now and now I want to put in some information. So I'm going to click the little plus. I'm going to click text. I don't want a new heading yet because I don't want a new page to my sway yet. So I'm just going to click in text. I'm going to put some bullet points and I'm just going to say what my different headings are going to be in my document. So as you can see there, I've just put the different layers of the rainforest in: forest floor, understory, canopy and emergent. And then what I'm going to do is now I'm going to click the plus and now I want a new heading because I'm going to start talking about each part of the rainforest, each layer of the rainforest. So I'm going to click heading. You can see there it says section 1. This is my first section. Then here I'm going to type in forest floor. I've just realised that I've not put emphasize on and I want it on because it's one of my headings. So I'm just going to highlight it by dragging my mouse over the writing and click on that and now it does it for me. I want to put a picture in here as well. So I am going to clear the search here and I'm going to type forest floor, hit enter, and it has brought some images up for me. So I'm just going to select this one here and click add. And now I want to put some information about the forest floor. So what I'm going to do is it's just deselected that, so I'm going to click back on it. I want information about the forest floor, so I'm going to click the little plus and I'm going to click text and it's going to bring up a text box for me now. So I'm just going to write some information about that. Dark, damp, so I've typed in my information there: dark, damp ground layer where the rainforest's largest animals live. So that's all I want to do there. I don't want to, I could press a plus and I could put in another image if I wanted another image to come up with it. I wanted some more pictures, but I'm ready to go on to my next part now, which is the understory. So I would just click heading again. I'm going to emphasize on, and I just put my next heading. Again, you can put your image in. Type in the understory of the rainforest. Click enter. Scroll through, select the image you want again, click add. There we go. So now I'm just going to click back on there. I'm going to cross this off first so it's full. Click back on there, click the plus. I want to put some information about the understory, so I just type in there now. This is where you will find small trees, shrubs. So that's me done that part. Again, now I can click the plus. I can put in a new heading for the next bit. I'll just type in there, canopy. Again, you can put a picture in if you want. So you would just continue to do that. You would click the plus, then put some writing in. If you've made a mistake and you didn't want a new heading, you can just click the wee bin in the right hand side here and it'll get rid of that. So you can click that if you want to drag it and move it around if it's in the wrong place. Just untick it. Once you've got all your information in, then you're going to design how you want it to look. So you're going to move away from the storyline at the top here, and you're going to click Design. So this is going to give you a design that it chooses. So you might like the one that it gives you. It's giving me a nice one with the brown background there to go with the theme that I've selected. I'm not sure I want that, so I'm going to click on Styles. You can change the way it sets it out, so I'm going to go to Vertical. So now I scroll up and down the way instead of along the way. And then down here you can change the colour scheme. So I am going to go with this green one here to go with the rainforest theme. And you can see now that it has changed the theme of that. It's changed all the writing to green for me, and it has put a green background in. You can let it select one itself by clicking Remix here, and it will give you its suggested one. You can do that all here. You can also customize the theme you've got. So if you click Customize, you can change all the different, you can change the font colors, you can change the type of writing. Okay, and you can change how intense animations are, how big the writing is. And there's lots of different things you can do there. But that is just a quick stop tour of how to make your own Sway from scratch. So let's play it now and have a look at how it is. So you click play. And we can scroll through it and see how it looks. Now if you want to share this, once you're completed, you want to share it with your teacher, you can click the share button here. And I would just click anyone with the link, and you can click get visual link here, or you can just copy the link here. That's it copied, or you can click get visual link, and it will bring up a picture with it for the person that you're sharing it with. Click copy, and then just right click and paste it wherever you want to share it.